Hello guys, what I just wanted to say is welcome back. My name is Rosin from the Hudallas. The Hudallas. Smash that like button. You just want to double smash that subscribe button. Hit the bell so you never ever miss the video again.
Hey guys, welcome back. We are the Hudallas, like Rozzy here said. Yeah, so it has been a super long winter and it is finally starting to get warm out. So we decided that we were gonna do what?
Get a wash machine?
Well, we already got a wash machine. We'll show you that later.
Yeah.
But we are gonna do some spring cleaning because this bus could really use it.
Yes.
It's gotten a little dingy over the winter, so we've got some work to do. But yes, after we get done cleaning, we are going to kind of experiment with our new off-grid washing machine that uses no electricity. We're gonna kind of put it to the test and see how well it actually works. But for now, let's get to cleaning.
Oh, I dropped again.
Alright, so we got the bus all cleaned up and now it is time to test out our new off-grid washing machine. Alright, so we have Blue here and this is our little washing machine that we bought. Blue's going to be putting that together for us, aren't you, Blue?
That's right. First of all, it's made by Lavario. Eco-friendly.
Nice.
Yas. Instructions.
We don't need those.
Poppy. There.
Nice. Well, that was easy enough. Now it is time to find some dirty clothes, and we just happen to have 4 little volunteers that kind of offered to make their clothes extra dirty so we can see exactly how well this little machine works. Let's go find them. You ready to get dirty?
Yeah.
All right, let's do it. Dirty?
I think so.
Let's get to washing. The shorts came clean. Nice. All right, well, I tricked Blue into doing the laundry, so that was awesome.
Yeah, right.
No, anyways, so this is what we're gonna be using on the road, and it actually worked pretty well.
Although I have to admit, with like the harder stains, the more soiled the clothes are, you might want to like pre-wash or something.
Yeah, we were a little obnoxious with it, and of course the mustard stain didn't come out, but we kind of already knew that was gonna happen.
Yeah.
So, anyways, hope you like this vlog. Until next time,
Have fun.
make memories.
See you later.
Bye guys.